Hi, welcome to Liz Begins. Watermelon is so well watery that maybe you are thinking, in a milkshake? Really? Your answer is a confident yes. Really. You are just 3 ingredients away from a simple, healthy, delicious watermelon milkshake. This is really perfect for summer. So please watch the full video and subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon to get notification. We can start by chunking up some fresh watermelon. We are not removing the seeds now. Now we are going to blend these watermelon pieces with milk, ice and lemon juice. This time you can add honey or sugar if you want more sweetness. Blend for 2 seconds at a time. Watermelon seeds are healthy, so that I didn't remove seeds as I said earlier. It makes the most beautiful blush pink colored milkshake. Super. Bye.